Hello everyone. I want to welcome you all to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. And on this channel you guys will get videos that'll teach you how to make money online easy and sometimes even fast, okay? So if you're new to the channel, welcome. I just would like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. Okay, so one of my subscribers asked me a question, and I'm going to answer that in this video. I just wanted to come on here and make a video about branded surveys because it's a survey site that I use and I make money on, and I want to help you guys make money on it as well, okay? So the question was, how long did it take you to get to $10? Well, it just depends on, how much time you're willing to put into this, okay? I've made tons of videos on branded surveys and another site called Survey Junkie, okay? I work the site because I need the money, okay? I don't care how long it takes me. I normally give it a week, 2 weeks. It takes me less than that, but that's because I work the site every day. I put aside time for it. So it all depends on how much time you're willing to invest into it, okay? Now, before I continue, I want you guys to know that just for watching this video, because I've noticed that my, subscribers are going up. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. If you've been a part of this channel since I started it in 2017, back when I first put up my first prize rebel video, that video is what launched this channel, made it so big and popular, and I just turned it into a money-making channel because I like helping people make money online. If you stay to the end of this video, you guys will get a free gift that I'm going to be giving you to say thank you for sticking with me this long, and thank you for those of you that have subscribed to my channel, and just stick with me. You guys will learn a lot from me. I've done my research. I know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm not an expert, but I've been working online since 2014, and the first two sites I was a part of was Vendo Research. Sorry, I didn't even know about branded surveys back then. So Vendo Research was the first survey company I was a part of. Slice the Pie was another opportunity that I did, and it's still around today. Vendo Research is still around, and so is Slice the Pie. Vendo Research, you got to get up to $50 to cash out, and it took me a month to get to $50 because of I just didn't. I was just being lazy, I guess, and it was just taking forever. But I got to $50 and I cashed out. Ever since I knew that it paid, my thing is, when you guys do these surveys, wait and see if they pay you first before you actually continue with them. Okay, before you post up a video, make sure you do your research on it before you join. Second thing, make sure they pay you. Make sure it's legit. Make sure it pays. Okay, you want to find out all this stuff before you guys start telling people about it, because if you get people signed up and it doesn't pay, you're going to have a problem with it. Okay, so what I do is before I bring you guys an opportunity, I watch tons of videos about it. I find out how much it is what's the minimum you have to get to cash out. I find out the facts, like when do they pay out, what days, how long will it take, how long does it take, how many points do you have to get to cash out. I find out all that before I make a video, okay? Now, Branded Surveys has been around for a while. It is a really great company. I've made money with it like maybe 50, 60 bucks already, maybe 70. I've cashed out a lot with this site. You guys have seen my videos. If you haven't, subscribe to the channel and go and take a look at my videos, you guys, on branded surveys. You'll see how many times I cashed out because I do payment proofs every time I cash out. So every time I get to 1,000 points, I make a payment proof video. So it takes 1,000 points to get $10. Once you get to 1,000 points, that's your $10, okay? When you first sign up with branded surveys, there's going to be approved points right here. Approved points, and in the middle right here, you're going to see something that's going to say pending points. That means that once you, once you complete a survey, your points are going to be pending until they get approved. That means they got to be checked by the survey provider to see if you even completed the survey before they can go in your approved point balance. So if you did a survey for 120 points, you won't see the 120 points added until it gets approved. Okay, and that was one of my biggest issues with branded surveys, only because I like to get my points right away because it makes my balance go higher and I can cash out faster. But I didn't let that stop me. Also, another thing you want to be mindful, make sure you don't skip any of the surveys. Do all of the surveys, whether you credit you get credited or not. The thing about these survey sites, you got to understand, they need people with certain demographics, certain race, certain age, certain household members, certain income. So don't be surprised if you don't qualify. This site also gives you disqualification points up to 5 cents, 5 points. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, they have a daily poll. You can get 5 points a day just doing the daily poll. Answer questions, submit it, and then that's it. And you can get 50 points for every person you refer. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys this. Let me see here. Okay, so let's go right here. 3 days ago, somebody signed up with me. Okay, let me see if I can click on this. It won't. I don't think it's gonna let me. Let me see here. I'm gonna take you guys here so I can show you my. Let me see if I have. Let me see my referrals. Here we go. Let me see if it'll show up if I have. Okay, it's saying one person, but I have more referrals than this. I have a lot. I have a lot of referrals. Okay, let's see earned points. I have a lot more referrals than they're showing. I don't know why they're not showing all of them, but I have a lot more referrals than that, okay? Because it's showing me, my notifications is showing me that I've had someone signed up 3 days ago, and then it won't let me scroll. Okay, yeah, it will. Okay, so 1 week ago, someone signed up. That's 2 people. 2 weeks ago, that's 3 people. That's 4 people right there. See, I could show you guys this all day long, but you get the point. People are actually signing up under me, and I'm getting points when they sign up. If they complete, depending on if they're active on the site. If they're not active, I'm not going to get the points. But, you know, if they're active on the site, I will. So let me show you what I do. I take the surveys. I do the surveys. I don't skip no surveys. Don't skip any surveys. No matter if you get disqualified or not. Remember, you get credited up to 5 points on here. So sometimes we get 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, 5 points. Okay, if you get the actual points and it's pending, it's going to go into the pending balance, and then you'll have to wait until it gets approved before you get the full amount of points. Okay, and you also have this down here, the daily poll. That's 5 points a day. You can refer people. That's 50 points. You can go over here to partner surveys. Click on offer twirl. I'm showing you what I do. You guys can do whatever you want on this site, but I'm showing you what I do that makes me money. Now, there used to be coupons where you can get 18 points, but they took that off and they lowered the amount for the coupons. So it's up to you if you would still want to do the coupons. It doesn't really matter. Now, these are all apps you can install on your phone. See, 2.4 points for the coupons. That's still something. But, here's the payout option. Payout option, PayPal, Branded Pay. You can do a bank transfer. You can donate, and there's tons of other gift cards. Okay, so Branded Surveys is a good website, guys. Like I said, to answer your question, it depends on how much time you're willing to put into the site, on how long it's going to take you to cash out from it. Okay, I can't answer that for you because I don't know your work ethic, but I do know that it depends on you. You have to put in the time in order to make the money. So that's all I don't know what else to say on that, just because that's how I do it. Like, I put in the time, and that's how I make my money, because I put the time in. Surveys are frustrating sometimes, but you don't want to give up. You want to keep going, okay? So for those of you that have stayed to the end of this, almost towards the end of this video, we're going to get into the free gift, okay? There's a free gift that I'm going to be giving those of you that have watched this video all the way to the end. Okay, so the free gift, I'm going to leave the link below this video. It is a free Instagram masterclass training video. It shows you how to market on Instagram, how to make money on Instagram, how to promote your business on Instagram. It shows you step by step how to do that. So if you guys are Instagram newbies, you really want to, it's free. You don't have to pay nothing to watch the video. It's a free training. It's a free, it's free. It's for Instagram, okay? Now, for those of you that are new on Instagram and you want to learn how to market, I will leave the link below. Go ahead, check out the training. It's amazing. I've already looked at it. And that's it. So I hope that answered your question. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a video. Take care.